If you touch the core yourself, you will touch the nature of existence. How's that improve? This is my topic. So I will example of tree, which is my background and which is everywhere you seen, like which you uh, train in the journey, train into journey, and the surrounding the area trees are fastly, creatively, uh, fast walk and run like. So basically twisted when we are stand alone. So this happened. This doesn't happen. So whenever we have we all we will any convince through others visits to convince to that it's interesting. So trees are message. There is a one things exists only nature, and nature's only existence, uh, which is the fresh air provides you, and how to you connect inners. So I think I'm not a discover, I'm not a create leaves and any bounds of media which is a make. So it's a nature, and the nature, if a human being reactions inner reactions like to nature's control anything. So every in reactions to we feel uh, fresh and we feel motivates. So inner to energy to control reactions. So as we like to every is moment of the root. So how to who is this make? So everything I think is connected. So basically the router spread the wireless connectivity connections, and the media of uh, connection radio, and the how much distance which is give which is deliver high voltage to basically, and everything I see in the moments to everything is nature to your connected yourself, your favorite uh, zone of the moments and dreams which you have never forget. You will find out to at these moments which you stay, and the basically the presence of the moments, and you have to be find easily the nature. So basically we are nail eyebrows to nature connected. I'm a not created to myself, I'm a not created to all of things, leaves and trees. Whatever do after my life and death, whatever do with myself, whenever with which is time of limited ends and first or starting and end. I don't know, but the all of control actions and angries and energies lose, and the most of happiest moments, which is the all of you connected to nature. So nature is uh, basically the biggest enlightened and motivations role. So if you are connected your nature, you will uh, connected to by nature yourself. so you can easily find out your flow talent.